Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I will let you know how fast a Google bot can crawl our blog. Now we do have a website called Click and Capture Studio, and in the Click and Capture Studio we have written one of the blog, right? So let me click on the blog, and here we have written one of the blog called South Indian Bridal Reception Look. And the main purpose to write this blog is we want to display this particular blog onto the Google search engine results page. Which means when someone search for South Indian bridal reception look, this blog needs to be present in the top of the Google search engine results page. Or maybe if we search for South Indian bridal reception look Hyderabad, the blog needs to be popped up in the Google search engine page, so that the people will read the content, they will have a look at the images that we have placed, and if they really like the services, maybe they will click on explore wedding photography, or maybe they will click on book your session now, and they will enter into the Click and Capture Studio website, and then they will contact us so that we will get the leads. Now as soon as we have written the blog, what we have to do? In the last video we have learned, right? We have to navigate to the Google search console, and then inside the Google search console we have to let the Google bot, the crawlers or spiders, to perform the crawling and indexing onto the blog so that it will be displayed on the Google search engine results page. So I quickly would like to click on start now. Onto the top of the search bar we have to paste the URL, which is clickandcapturestudio.com South Indian bridal reception look. Now I will let you know how we can take the copy of this URL. Now in the blog, whatever the URL that we have, it is the same URL, so we have to paste it right here, and then we have to click on enter. It says retrieving data, and now we clearly see that the URL is now present on the Google, so that anybody who searches for South Indian bridal reception look, they will be getting this particular blog onto the top. And now I want to give you how much time did it really take for me to place this particular blog onto the Google search engine results page. Believe it or not, it just took only 1 minute of time. As soon as I have performed the indexing on this particular Google search engine console page, it took me maybe 1 or 2 days of time to have a look. But I have returned back after few days, and then I clearly see the URL is on Google and the page indexing is completed. And when I elaborate this particular page indexing, I clearly see the last crawl is on 20 November 2024 at 9:40. Exactly at 9:40 or maybe 9:39, I have performed the indexing. We can see this particular results in 1 or 2 days of time, but the indexing done by the Google, the crawling done by the Google bot is just 1 minute of time. I hope you have clearly understand, so that what we have to do now, we have to make sure, right? It is clearly telling that the URL South Indian bridal reception look is on Google. So if someone searches in Google, let me navigate to the Google, or maybe in the incognito mode, which will be very much good. I want to search for the South Indian bridal reception look. So I quickly would like to navigate to the blog, and then I want to take the exact keyword copy. Always remember that based on the keyword or the content or the image alt text what we have written on this particular blog, it will make our blog to display onto the top of the Google search engine results page. So first I want to search with South Indian bridal reception look Click and Capture Studio Hyderabad. Now quickly I want to navigate to Google search engine, and I want to paste the exact keywords, and I want to click on enter. Now as soon as I click on enter, I can see the exact clickandcapturestudio.com South Indian bridal reception look has been popped up onto the top of the Google search engine results page, which means we have mentioned the keywords, everything. The way that we did the SEO is super perfect, and that is the reason our blog came onto the very top of the Google search engine results page. Now in the second tab, I want to navigate to Google, and then I want to search for South Indian bridal reception look, maybe Hyderabad. Anybody who resides in Hyderabad, if they wanted to search for South Indian bridal reception look in Hyderabad, they have to see Click and Capture Studio. Now here we can clearly see on the Google search engine results page, we can see the Click and Capture Studio South Indian bridal reception look is in the rank number 3, which is very good, right? So it is so simple. And also, if anybody watching my video for the very first time, if you really wanted to learn digital marketing from the very basics, navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist digital marketing. You will see all the videos, more than hundreds of videos related to digital marketing. And if you have any questions related to this particular topic, I want you to write down in the comment section. I will read each and every one of your comments, and I will reply happily, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much, guys.